y'all, what's up, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. If you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Jazz. You are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for joining me yet again. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a makeup, no makeup type of look. So it can look like you ain't got no makeup on, but you really do. And nobody gotta know. So it's gonna be light foundation, light eyebrow, just the minimum, bare minimum that you can wear, so it can make it look like you have no makeup on. It doesn't look like you just got out the bed too. So we're gonna make it work. I just wanna show y'all my haircut. I got my hair cut. Get into it. Look at that. It's giving healthy because my hair was damaged. It's still growing. In about 2 months I'll get it cut again or trimmed, because my hair, if you see any of my hair tutorials, it's a mess. So I had to chop it off. But I feel like it's a lot better, more fuller, because it's cut. It doesn't look as damaged, but I had to just show y'all my little haircut. Okay, so let's get into this video. So basically I'm starting off with a fresh face. All I'm going to be using is foundation, Anastasia Dip Brow, concealer for under my eyebrows, definitely some moisturizer from e.l.f., some e.l.f. under eye cream, and that's it. That's all I'm going to be doing. Bare minimum, y'all, so it can look like y'all ain't got no makeup on, but you really do. First thing is first, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. If you are not sure how to do eyebrows, I have a tutorial on my page, so just go check it out. I'm just gonna speed this process up so we can get straight to the point. So here we go.
Nobody touch me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you.
Bruno! No!
Foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me that.
Okay, so after the eyebrows are done, we're gonna go in with some concealer for under your brows to make it look like it's highlighted, you know, like a little pop. So Pro Concealer in the color beige, no, Cool Tan. So I'm just gonna take my little utensil, my handy dandy utensil, under my eyebrows. Just a little bit, y'all, because we wanted to make it look like we ain't got no makeup on. Okay, so after that I like to wipe this off. Then I like to go in with my moisturizer. Don't get out of way to know one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come home.
sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you
wipe off that extra concealer.
You could pick the time and the place. You spend some time away.
Wipe out your eyebrows. Eye cream. Next, a little bit of foundation. And that's it, y'all. That's it. That's all you need. Cause I hate, like, I like to wear makeup, but I don't like wearing a lot. Especially if I'm just going to work. Like, I don't like wearing a lot of makeup every day too, because I don't like to look like a whole nother person one day and then the next day I'm looking like, who are you? So, you know, you got to keep it natural. So when you don't wear a lot of makeup, you won't look crazy. And that's it. Makeup, no makeup look. Like, this is... That's it. That's all I do, y'all. Like, every day. If not, sometimes I just might do my eyebrows with a little bit of eye cream and some moisturizer, and then that's it. Y'all already know I gotta have my eyebrows done, but this is a simple, like, makeup, no makeup type of look. If you want to just have something real quick on, or just pop something on real quick, if you just go into the store and you want to put a little makeup on, you just woke up from last night, hangover, whatever, you just put a little bit of foundation on. You ain't even gotta put concealer on. As long as you take care of your skin, you don't have to have that much makeup on, okay? So less is always more, I think. So that's it. Okay. So that's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Straight to the point, quick and easy, makeup, no makeup type of tutorial. You know, less is always more, so I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.